Hello, what up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Famous Nelson, and today I'm going to show you guys how to connect a condenser microphone and your headset to Bandlab Mobile without using a sound card. And we will not only connect it, but we will also test them and see how it's going to sound on Bandlab Mobile. So for the sake of those that don't have money to buy the big headset, I'll be using my earpiece for this tutorial. To be able to do this, you need what is called the AUX to XLR cable, and this is what it looks like. Because we are connecting a condenser microphone and our earpiece, so we need what is called the 2-in-1 cable, and this is what it looks like. The pink one is for the microphone, while the white one is for the headset. I mean, the milk one is for the headset. So you can connect your headset or your earpiece, whatever you want to use. You can connect them with thick cables. And if you look at them carefully, you will see the logo of the microphone on the pink one, while the one with the milk color has the logo of the headset. These logos will really make it easier for you to understand how to connect them. Now, the first thing we want to connect is our condenser microphone, and for this you connect the XLR port under the condenser mic to the cable. It's very easy. So once you've connected it to the microphone, the next thing you want to do is to connect it to the 2-in-1 cable and the one that has the microphone icon on it. So the next thing you want to connect is the earpiece, and you connect the 2-in-1 cable to your mobile phone, the headset port, and that is all. Now let's record some vocals and hear what it's going to sound like. So now, before we record anything on Bandlab, I need to let you know that this microphone does not use a battery and it's not rechargeable. It uses the power from your phone. So as long as your phone is turned on, the microphone is turned on. So it uses the current from your phone. So I have a beat here, you can see. Let's record some vocals. So you can see it, right? You can see how it's recording. So you can't hear the beat because the beat is it's playing from my headset, but after recording I'll play something from you. That's so yeah, just testing. Yeah, say I'm just testing. Wow, I'm just testing. I'm just testing. So let's see how it sounds like. So you can see it, right?
It's famous on the beat.
You can see how it's recording. So you can't hear the beat because the beat is it's playing from my headset, but after recording I'll play something from you. Let's so yeah, just testing. Yeah, say I'm just testing. Wow, I'm just testing. I'm just testing. So let's see.